In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage people and blocked users in Microsoft Teams on the web. We'll walk through this slowly and clearly so you can follow along, even if you're not very familiar with Teams yet. You'll want to have a web browser open for this, like Edge, Chrome, or Firefox. First, go to the Microsoft Teams web experience by typing the Teams web address into your browser's address bar and pressing Enter. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to log into your Microsoft account. Once you're signed in, you should see the main Teams interface, which includes options like chat, calendar, and more, usually along the left side. From here, look for the chat area. This is where your one-to-one and small group conversations live. Click on Chat to open it. Taking this step ensures we're in the right place to access your contacts and people settings. Next, we're going to find the People section. Depending on your layout, you may see a People button or icon within the chat area or near your conversation list. Go ahead and click on People. This is typically where Teams organizes your contacts, making it easier to see who you've been communicating with and manage how you interact with them. You may see more than one People option in this view, such as a tab, a menu item, or a contact panel. If you do, click on People again where it appears inside the Chat or Contacts pane. This helps drill down to the right place where your people-related settings are located. Now, look for the highlighted area or button that stands out in the interface. In many layouts, Teams visually highlights the section that allows you to access more detailed settings or management options. Click on that highlighted area. This is usually your entry point to more advanced controls. Once you're in that section, find and click on the option labeled Manage. The Manage button is important because it takes you from simply viewing your contacts to actually controlling how they're handled, including privacy and blocking settings. Inside the Management view, make sure you're still on the People section or tab. If you see a People heading or tab, click it to confirm you're looking at the list and settings related specifically to people and contacts. Finally, locate the option that says Manage Blocked Users and click on it. This is where you can view the people you've blocked, unblock users if needed, or simply double-check who currently can't contact you. Take a moment to review this list and adjust it according to your preferences. And that's the full process for navigating to and managing people and blocked users in Microsoft Teams on the web.